Once again, good morning, class 7 students. Welcome back in your geography class. Last time, chapter 2 was completed. Short answers, distinguish between, fill in the blanks, choose the options that I have given you. Now, this is the time to complete C exercise, that is, answer with brief explanation. This we will be doing carefully. Note it down. Question number 1. Okay, be ready with your copy and pencil. With black pen, you write questions, and with blue pen, you write answers. Here is question number 1. How did troposphere get its name? This answer is on page number 10, second column. Just write with your pencil right now, and then we will find on which page it is. Why is the atmosphere important? This answer also on page 11, second column. Any 4 points we can write in this answer. Let us come on first long answer. When you see first long answer, as I told you, page 10, second column, when you will open under the heading troposphere, you will get from the below paragraph, last 7 line it is. I read for you, underline line, you can go through it. The troposphere gets its name from the Greek word tropos, comma, which means turning, full stop. This is because all the weather changes that we experience, you can cut, it is not needed. All the weather changes take place in the troposphere. I repeat answer, please pay attention. The troposphere get its name from the Greek word tropos, which means turning. This is because all the weather changes take place in troposphere. Take place in troposphere. That much is only correct answer. Now, as I told you, C second answer is, question was, why is the atmosphere important? Take from the question first, dear students. Take open question. The atmosphere is important because. Now open this page number 11 it is, under the heading, second column, under the heading importance of atmosphere. We have to write any 4 points. I have taken first point, that is the atmosphere gives us oxygen to breathe. You can cut that way and write to breathe. The atmosphere gives us oxygen, the oxygen to breathe. Second point, the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere help plant to manufacture food in the presence of sunlight. Second point, then leave third point. Fourth point you can mark, it is short point. The ozone in the atmosphere protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. This is C2 answer. Then last part I have taken, the atmosphere prevent most of the matters from hitting the earth's surface. That is also C2 parts. First red dot, second red dot, fourth red dot, and then there is sixth red dot. Like this we have taken any 4 points to do. This is answer C2 completed. Now see question C third. How does atmosphere gets heated or get heated? We have to take from the question. This answer is on page 12, first column. Then what is greenhouse effect? How does it help? This answer is on page number 16. First we will take, and then we have to write some portion from this. We will be writing some of the part of this answer. Question fifth is, why is global warming bad? We'll write first from the question why global warming is bad, then give any 3 reason also we'll be giving. Then our sixth question is, how do our activities lead to global warming? It is also having 2 parts. First of all, we will say in this way. We will write, and then we'll write at last in this way. I'll tell you how. How can we control it? By mentioning any 3 ways. Then we have to mention for the same answer 3 ways. Like this, question 6 in 2 parts, question 5 in 2 parts, and question 4 also in 2 parts it is. Then question 7 also in 2 parts. Why is ozone hole? What is ozone hole? Why does one form over the South Pole in spring? Okay, every spring. Let us see answers now one by one. Dear students, we are here on page number 12 now, first column. Below the picture you can see, this is fresh paragraph. Line number first, second, third, fourth, fifth line you will see in the middle. Air. After air, comma is there. Air, clouds and dust absorb, cut the word also, absorb a part of incoming radiation. But don't cut, okay, but is correct. But this heats up the atmosphere only slightly. About half of the incoming radiation reaches the Earth's surface. The Earth's surface is heated by this energy. The heated surface of the Earth in turn radiates heat This is called terrestrial radiation. The atmosphere is heated mainly by terrestrial radiation. Like this, answer is over. I repeat answer: air, clouds, and dust absorb part of incoming solar radiation or radiation. But this means incoming solar radiation heats up atmosphere only slightly, very small amount it heat. After about half of the incoming radiation reaches the Earth's surface, full stop. The Earth's surface is heated by this energy, full stop. The heated surface of the Earth in turn radiates heat. This heat, or this is called terrestrial radiation. The atmosphere is heated mainly by terrestrial radiation. So I hope it is clear. From here up to here we have completed this answer third. So as I told you, question number 4, you can now focus on page 17. Question is given. Question is in two parts. What is greenhouse effect? And does it help us or harm us? For C4, we have taken this open points, remember, on page number 16 and count from the top: first, second, third, fourth, fifth heading. It is fifth heading. You see greenhouse effect. Don't write the heading. You write from the, make T capital of the trapping of heat due to the reflection of terrestrial radiation towards the earth, comma, mainly by atmospheric carbon dioxide. After this, you have to write with pencil, is called greenhouse effect. Is called greenhouse effect. Like this, your C4 first part is over. C4 first. Now pay attention to the students. Answer C4 second part. First part we have said already. What is greenhouse? The tapping of heat due to the reflection of terrestrial radiation towards the earth, mainly by atmospheric carbon dioxide, is called greenhouse effect. Question second, does it help us or harm us? Then we have tried greenhouse effect helps us by trapping heat of insolation. Its spelling is wrong here. INSOLATION. SU is wrong here. Correct the spelling. I have written U. You make it O. Without this heat energy, the earth would have been very cold at night. That it would have become very difficult for our survival. Full stop. So this greenhouse effect is essential, comma, but too much of it is harmful. If it goes on increasing, it could cause global warming. Should I repeat? I'm repeating the answer. Please note down. First of all, we have taken first part, what is greenhouse effect, then after full stop. This is second part, so I have put dot dot dot. Dot 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 means this answer is in continuation. Greenhouse effect help us by trapping heat of insolation, INSO. Please write SOLATION. Full stop. Without this heat energy, the earth would have been very cold at night. That it would have become very difficult for our survival. So this greenhouse effect is essential, but too much of it is harmful. If it goes on increasing, it could cause global warming. Like this, we have completed full answer 4. Dear students, now question number 5. Question 5 is, why is global warming bad? Give 3 reasons. We are taking from the question. Global warming is bad because of the following 3 reasons. Because you can write and you can come up on page number 13. It is on page number 13 when you see below continued. You see this word continued global warming. Here onwards, can you see? Continued global warming may produce several ill effects. Like this, you start your answer. It could cause much of the ice at the poles, see bottom part. It could cause much of the ice at the poles and on the mountains to melt. This in turn, continuing from page 14 now, this in turn would cause the water level of the oceans to rise, and mainly islands and the coastal areas would go underwater. Like this, our first point is completed, then I have taken second point. Write with your pencil first. Due to global warming, climate and rainfall patterns may change. Only first line we have taken from this 14 page. First of all, we will write with pencil. Due to global warming, when you will write in notebook, you write like this. Second point starts from, due to global warming, climate and rainfall patterns may change. I hope it's clear for you. Then we have taken in second column, you see last red point or red dot or pink dot, it is change in climate and rainfall patterns, drought, flood, etc. are likely to reduce the yield crop plant. Up to here we have completed answer C5. I hope it's clear, all of you. Like the C5 answer is completed. Now let us read C6. So the C6 question is, how do our activities lead to global warming? First of all, we have to come on this page number 13. When we open under global warming heading, from the top we can count. It is line number 6, I think. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh line. It is as the human population is growing, we are cutting down more and more trees for wood. We are clearing forests to use the land and for buildings and agriculture. And our factories and vehicles are emitting more and more carbon dioxide than ever before. So this is part. I read again. As human population is growing, we are cutting down more and more trees for wood. We are clearing forests to use the land, buildings, and agriculture. And our factories and vehicles are emitting more and more carbon dioxide than ever. Then we have to come to the question and write. In this way, our activities led to global warming. First part of sixth answer is completed like this. Second part is asking how can we control it? Mention any three ways. Take from the question. We can control it. We can control it. Then come on page number 15. Protecting atmosphere. We are on C6 answer only now. Then for C6 you can see there are again red dots are there. We are taking from the question first. We can control it by the following three ways. We have to by the following three ways. First red point, we can plant trees as this helps to reduce global warming. Second point is very long, you can leave. Third is short, you can write from that. We can reuse and recycle things to save energy used in factories to make these things. The C6. Then again second point, that is fourth point we can take. We can avoid buying packaged food and bottled water as this saves the energy needed to make these. So like this three ways they are asking, we have completed three ways. Like this answer 6C or C6 is completed up to here. For C7, I'm reading question, what is ozone hole? You have to take points to remember. Third last heading, ozone hole heading you can see in points to remember on page number 16. A patch in the stratosphere where the ozone layer has become very thin is called ozone hole. I repeat answer, a patch in the stratosphere where the ozone layer has become very thin is called ozone hole. First part is over. Second part of the question is, why does one form over South Pole every spring? For this you have to come on page 14. When you will see page number 14, there is ozone depletion. You know that from this you have to see line number first, second, third, fourth, fifth line. In September, from there you start. I repeat, in September and October, when it is spring in the southern hemisphere, much of the atmosphere, or mostly you can write that either underlined words you can write, or you can write this what I've written with red pen, that you can write mostly atmospheric ozone over South Pole is destroyed and the ozone layer become very thin. This three words you can cut, become very thin. Such a thin patch, this is not needed. Okay, up to thin, then leave one line. It forms when the weather conditions are ideal for certain chemical reaction in which compounds such as chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFC, release chlorine which destroyed ozone. I repeat here C7th part. In September and October, when it is spring in the southern hemisphere, mostly atmospheric ozone over the South Pole is destroyed and the ozone layer becomes very thin. Leave one line. It forms when the weather conditions are ideal for certain chemical reactions in which compounds such as chlorofluorocarbons release chlorine which destroys ozone. Like this 7 answer of C exercise is over. Now dear students, we are here on holiday homework for you. Second chapter is fully over. Two chapters are coming in unit test. Still third chapter reading I will take in next class. Only reading I will take. Answers I will be giving you in the class itself because that is half yearly portion. And be ready. Your second chapter will be coming for your revision test also. Second revision test. So for time being, note down. Open your notebook. Please note down each and everything or take a screenshot of this. I'm reading one by one. Subject geography, holiday homework. First point is for you. Complete neatly in your geography for your notebook. All question answers of chapter first, second, and then learn them by heart. What is completed online classes? All you have to do it. And also do exercise F on page 8 of chapter 1 and practice it. That is conventional symbols. Now make two practices, one each in rough notebook and one other in Alpha Atlas map book. If you don't have Alpha Atlas map book, you can do it in fair copy only. I don't mind. When you will get Alpha Atlas copy from the school, from that you can do it. First, what you have to do, draw carefully and neatly compass rose, which is of 8 cardinal direction given in figure 1.6 on page number 4. When you will open page number 4 in your book, figure 1.6, you have to draw very nicely and very neatly. Then draw neatly two boxes of conventional symbols given on page number 5, figure 1.8. Figure 1.8, one map is there. Under that map, two boxes are there, left box and right box. Both you have to draw very neatly. Then draw neatly and label nicely layers of atmosphere given in figure 2.1 on page number 11. So that is also you can do it. So I hope there is no any doubt now. All holiday homework is before you. First, what you have to do, you can count on fingers. First of all, keep your work complete. What is done? Okay. I don't want any student incomplete work. First point is already said. Second point, what you have to draw, that you have to draw in setting from June 1st onwards to June 30 is your time to do. Okay. So very small work I'm giving you, not so much. First of all, draw that cardinal direction rows, and then second given box which is given on page number 5, figure 1.8. That box you have to draw all the conventional symbols very nicely with proper color code. Then draw neatly and label nicely layers of atmosphere is given in figure 2.1 on page number 11. That also from my side, please note it down, and you have to do them and get it checked when school reopen. Till then, take care, be in good health, goodbye.